If you need to reschedule a Calendly event, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether your plans changed, a meeting conflict came up, or you simply need a new time, Calendly makes it easy to update the booking without starting over. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the Calendly confirmation email for the booking you want to change. This is the email you received after the original event was scheduled. Inside that message, Calendly gives you the option to manage the meeting, including rescheduling it. So go ahead and locate that confirmation email in your inbox and open it. Once the email is open, look for the Reschedule button. This is the option Calendly uses to let you change the meeting time without cancelling the event entirely. Click Reschedule to begin the process. After that, Calendly will take you to a page where you can choose a new date. You'll see the available days based on the organizer's schedule, so select the new date that works best for you. Make sure you pick a date that fits your availability and any other commitments you have. Next, choose a new time slot. Calendly will show the available times for the date you selected, and you can simply click the one you want. If the first time you check doesn't work, you can always go back and choose another available date or time until you find the best option. When everything looks good, click Confirm. This is the final step that saves your updated meeting time. Once you confirm, Calendly automatically updates the meeting invitation and sends the new details to both you and the organizer. That means everyone stays on the same page without needing to manually send follow-up emails. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can reschedule a Calendly event and make sure the meeting is updated for everyone involved. It's a fast, simple process that helps you stay organized when plans change. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.